Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. How are you? I am fine and I hope that you will be all okay and fit from health by the grace of God. Dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube Fashion TV channel. You are watching the best and famous collections of transparent vinyl rainwear dresses. Dear friends, I have to my best try to bring for you best and trendy collection. You can get ideas from my collection. Dear friends, my video is to be end. Goodbye till the next attractive video. God bless you.